going out with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody.
Hey y'all, so long time no see. Well, really not really, but long time since I did a regular video versus a vlog. But so today I decided to show y'all my mini perfume collection. Y'all, it is kind of mini, but I got some good stuff in here, so just let's get into it. So first I'm gonna start off with the very first perfume I ever bought that I was like, okay, let's build my perfume collection. So this is my very first one. This is the Moschino Toy 2. And y'all, it smells so good. And it's unisex, so it's not like real feminine, but it's not bad smelling either. It really do smell good. And let's see if I can just look up the keynotes of it, because I'm like I don't know how I'm not like the perfume guru right now. I'm more of I'm in my learning stages of like different perfumes, because your girl is trying to really get her perfume collection up and going and started, and you know. Okay, y'all, the keynotes of the Moschino Toy 2. It is Mandarin Orange and Granny Smith Apple combined with a delicate floral notes enhanced by amber wood and sandalwood. See, they say it adds radiance and softness to the scent. So this is the new one, and y'all, I bought this when I was on sale at Belts, because this is a full size bottle, and y'all, this mini bottle on here is $96. No, that's how much it is. That's how much that one is. The bottle just look kind of mini on here. Can y'all see it? Anyway, yeah, that perfume right there is $96. So then my second one was this Riri by Rihanna. Y'all, let me tell y'all a little secret, okay? This Riri by Rihanna, I buy a lot of my fragrances off of fragrancenet.com. And that's where I buy most of my perfumes, versus this first one I bought from Belts. Now the rest of them was off of FragranceNet and Sam's Club. But anyway, y'all, I seen lots and lots of people talking about this Riri by Rihanna, and y'all won't believe where I got it from. Y'all got it from City Trends. Like, something told me to go in there. I think I went in there for what? They be having like deodorant and stuff like that, the Dove deodorant spray and stuff like that for cheap. So I went in there for something like that. And y'all, I stepped across this Rihanna Perfume. And at first I thought it was like a fake or whatnot, but y'all, that's the real deal. And the Riri by Rihanna is a floral fruity fragrance. Like, it smells so good. It do smell like feminine. Now these people say that the key notes are, well, the top notes are passion fruit, rum, mandarin orange, honeysuckle, jasmine, orange blossom, with the base notes are vanilla. So, and that smells really good, y'all. It smells really good. So my third perfume I want to show y'all is this Versace Bright Crystal. There it is. Y'all, let me tell you why I bought this. I really bought this because the bottle was so cute. I love the diamond top. That is really why I bought it. Not only do it smell good, this one right here, it smells more, it smells real girly, but it's like a more mature kind of scent. And the keynotes are, you ready? Okay, y'all, the keynotes of the Bright Crystal are yuzu. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right, but the word looks too easy for me to pronounce it wrong. Ice Accord, Pomegranate, Magnolia, Lotus Flower, Amber Musk. So Those are like that kind of smell. I mean, it's sweet, but it's not sweet. It's like floral. And okay, my camera just fell. But anyway, what was I saying? That messed me up. Okay, back to the video. So now we have, I think I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all my Prada Candy. The Prada Candy. Now this smell right here, to be honest, it's still kind of, you know, I'm still warming up on it. Now I did use a lot, but this smell is like, to me, it's sweet but strong. It's like it's tolerable for me. Like, this is not my favorite. This is probably my least favorite smell I have. Yeah, I think that's my least favorite. But this one is warm and sweet. The keynotes are white musk, caramel accord, benzoin, whatever that is. But that's what kind of smell it is. Okay, with this perfume, I didn't even tell y'all the price of my Versace Bright Crystal. I think that was like $116. I bought the biggest bottle because that's how I felt. But anyway, this Prada Candy right here, the bottle for the 2.7 ounce. Yeah, I could have sworn this was like a 3.4 bottle. That's how much most of the full bottles are, but yeah. So the biggest bottle for the Prada is 2.7 ounce. And this bottle right here, that one right there is $128. So the Prada Candy bottle is $128, but it smells, it's sweet. It's real tolerable. You will smell kind of, you know, you will smell girly. You will smell mature. But yeah, that's really a rememberable scent. It's just that I'm warming up on it. So now we have the Michael Kors. It's cute. Michael Kors right here. This is called Glam Jasmine. Now y'all, let me tell you about this perfume. I just bought it. That's a newbie to the collection. I bought that when we went to Sam's the other week, like last week, 2 weeks ago. But this bottle right here, I bought it for only $35, y'all. The full size bottle for $35 from Sam's. So with that being said, y'all need to go ahead and see our local Sam's. And the bottles they're gonna be in like a pink packaging case bottle. Like, it's like a package, you know, but it's pink. And all the designer perfumes in that is only $34.98. So y'all hop on that deal because I hopped on it. And then they giving out like full size bottles. I should have bought more of different kinds, but I was like, let me try this one first. But yeah, the Michael Kors one. Okay, see, this one on sale from the perfume box for $71, but they said the normal price of it is $95. So you got a $100 perfume basically for $34. So make sure y'all go to Sam's Club. Anyway, this scent is black currant, pleasant and sweet. White floral notes of jasmine cactus coming to the forefront. Warm and woody sandalwood is the finishing note. So it smells good, smells floral, smells feminine. I love it. This is what I've been using lately. It's been between the Michael Kors Glam Jasmine and Versace Bright Crystal. And so now we have the Rihanna Cloud. Y'all, oh, okay, I bought this one from Ross. I forgot. I bought this from Ross. It was behind the case. And y'all, this one, it smells really good. Hold up. Okay. Yeah, I be having to remember. That one smells fresh. It's like real fresh. Like when I get out the shower, I'm going to want to go in and spray a couple sprays of this. It's like real fresh, feminine. It smells like, you would call it like clean water. That's how it smelled to me, like water. Like tasty water. Like, I don't drink Great Value water. I drink Fiji water. What? Y'all probably don't know what I'm talking about, but that's how it smells. It just smells fresh. It smells clean. It's girly. Rihanna Cloud Spray right here. The keynotes are Lavender Blossom, Juicy Pear, Cream de Coconut. Cream de Coconut. I don't know if I did it right. Praline Vanilla Orchard, Sensual Musk, Creamy Blonde Woods. So that one smells really good, I must admit. It smells good, fresh. I be wanting to spray that first. So y'all, let me tell y'all about these little regular perfumes too. So this is like a regular Rue 21 perfume. It's called Icon. Yeah, my mom put me on this one because she really loves to smell good and stuff. So I guess we told her to try this perfume out one day. They done changed the name of this once, and this is the second name, I think. But it's called Rue 21, and it's called Icon, y'all. It smells so good. It's definitely slept on. It smells fresh, fruity, but it smells so good. And then the smell actually lasts. I sniffed it. I'm about to sniff it. But yeah, y'all, this is called Rue 21 Icon. Y'all, it was only like I think $20. I really don't know. I know they had a sale and my mom went crazy. So that's just my regular kind of perfume. And then I have this regular perfume too. When I went to Charlotte for my birthday. Yeah, I think I went to Charlotte for my birthday. And I forgot to bring my perfumes. And we went to this lingerie store. And we went there and I bought this. It's called Muse and it's called Hustler. And anyway, this is called Muse. And it's, well, the brand is Muse and it's the Hustler one. And it smells good. Now this one, it smells really, 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 really sweet. But I think it's like a pheromone. That's what it's called, pheromone, something. And I think that smell is for attraction. Now it do smell really good, but just beware. If you spray that, they keep coming to you. I done told you it was a pheromone. But yeah, y'all, that's my perfume collection. So I have some expensive babies and I have some affordable babies. Well, they all affordable to me, but you know, that's not really affordable. $100 of perfume. But anyway, this is my little perfume set, and I'm glad y'all decided to watch it. They all smell so good, so because I will not wear nothing that stink anyway. So they all have to smell good in order for them to be in my perfume collection. But anyway, 8 different perfumes, and they all smell so good. And that wraps up the video until my next collection, which I do have some perfumes coming, and I can't wait to smell them. But this is my beginner, my starter perfume collection. But anyway, thanks for watching, girl. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure y'all stay tuned for all my perfume videos, all my perfume collections, all my clothing hauls, all this stuff that I have plans, and I have a lot of things coming. So make sure y'all just stay tuned. So by doing that, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to this video. Make sure y'all hit the post notification button after you subscribe, because we're doing bangers. We're having some real good content coming for real though. I'll be playing sometimes. But make sure y'all follow me on Instagram and Mayoki. Make sure y'all follow me on Twitter at Mayoki with 2 eyes. And y'all, I might always go ahead and say add me on Snap too, because I could change my Snap name. So my Snap name is Mayoki now. So make sure y'all follow me on there too. And that's all for this video. I love y'all. Thanks for watching. Hold up. Yeah, what is this? There you go. I love y'all. Thanks for watching. And make sure y'all shop these perfumes. FragranceNet.com, Perfume Box, all them good stuff. But yeah.